Are pets allowed in military housing policies? If you are a service member or a military family considering bringing a pet into military housing, you might be wondering about the rules. Let's break down what you need to know about pets in military housing policies. Yes, pets are generally allowed in military family housing, but there are specific rules that can vary depending on the branch of service, the installation, and the type of housing. If you are living in unaccompanied housing, which is typically for single service members, pets are not allowed. When it comes to the types of pets you can have, dogs and cats are the most common. Usually you can have a total of 2 pets in your dwelling. This could be 2 dogs, 2 cats, or 1 of each. Small caged animals like hamsters, guinea pigs, birds, and goldfish are also typically permitted. However, exotic and wild animals such as snakes, skunks, raccoons, ferrets, and monkeys are not allowed. Another important aspect is breed restrictions. Many military installations have bans on certain dog breeds that are considered aggressive or potentially aggressive. Breeds like pit bulls, Rottweilers, and wolf hybrids often fall under these restrictions. While some policies emphasize that a dog's behavior is more about the owner than the breed bans remain as common in many areas. If you plan to bring a pet, you will need to register your dog or cat with the installation veterinary clinic. This usually needs to be done within a specific time frame after moving in. As a pet owner, you are responsible for keeping your pet under control and ensuring that they do not pose a threat or nuisance to others. If you fail to meet these responsibilities, you could lose your privilege to keep a pet. Pet owners are also liable for any damage or injury caused by their pets. Installation commanders have the authority to enforce pet policies, which can include revoking pet privileges if rules are violated or if pets threaten the health and safety of the community. While there are broad guidelines, specific pet policies can differ by military branch, base, and housing provider, especially in privatized housing. It is always a good idea to check the pet policy of your specific installation before moving in. Understanding and following these pet policies is important for maintaining good standing in military housing. It helps ensure the safety of the community and allows military families to enjoy the companionship of their pets while stationed on base. Planning ahead for breed restrictions, pet registration, and care responsibilities will help you integrate your pets into military life smoothly.